Hello YouTube, this is Alarm Fan 8 today, and today we're just going to do a video about one of Cole's latest smoke detectors to the collection. And this one is an EI100B smoke alarm, and they've been manufacturing in Ireland for 50 years plus. So 1963 they started manufacturing smoke alarms.
In where we got this one from?
We bought this one from Wilco's
in town
for £4,
yeah.
And it even now gives you a free email service to remind you when to test your alarm. So they even send you an email every month or so saying, like, can you test your alarm please?
Look.
To remind you.
Look, be open it now.
Yeah, go on then. We have slit the thing a little bit, get it open. But it is the classic style of alarm.
So let's get out. That's instructions. That's enough baby instruction now.
Yeah, that'll tell you where to place your alarm.
Help me. Oh look, it shows you about sires.
Yeah.
Look, you can get. Look. Look, that's the one I got. And you can get one of those, two, and one with a light on it.
Alright.
And add one in light on it in the shop too. And there. Got pixel test. That's when they have them.
There you go. That's where you should have your alarms in your house, look.
Yes.
Minimum protection.
That's where. And anybody's not got an alarm. That's
should
where
have one
they
on
have
each
one.
landing or each story. Maximum protection. One in every room, so really you should have one in every room, really, they recommend, don't they?
I got one in every room.
We have one, yeah, I've got one in every room.
Not in my dad's bed. I think I got
So we're just going to get this one operational now.
one.
And like I say, it is the classic
Oh.
alarm. They must have sold millions in 50 years.
Yeah. Can't even get the battery in it then. Ow. I can't even get it in. There. That side is not good.
Right,
There.
clipped in yet, so we're nice and tight. It's got like a little there's like a little spring on the bottom there.
Help me. No, it's come down again.
So if you take your battery out, look, you can't shut the lid down on it. Is it? Because people take the batteries out of them, don't they? I think that's why they... I think everybody really in their house should have cut the spare square ones anyway. I mean, the problem with using AA batteries in there is people take them out and put them in their kids' toys and stuff, don't they, when they run out? When they can't plug them. So yeah,
I like that noise.
do it again then. Yeah, it's cool, isn't it? That's a classic.
Huh.
So there we have it. The EI100B alarm. I think this is made in Ireland. I've got the information on the back here. Warning: beep when battery replacement, 5-year guarantee.
Oh, I think it goes in this.
85
I
decibels
think it
in
goes
3
in there.
meters.
I think
It's an ionisation sensor.
I think it goes in this.
Responds to
I'm Satan, it's the bestest.
no, and it's photogenic.
Yeah. That's not the bestest.
No, that's a cheap one.
Oh, hear this. This what happens to battery goes.
Photoelectrics are best, isn't it?
That you just heard that noise. That's what it means when the battery's gone.
Yeah.
I just there.
So there we have this alarm. Another one to the collection.
Deep.
What do you say now? And bye for now, and please subscribe to Alarm Fan 8 if you want to see some more alarms and fans. We haven't done many fan videos, but it's now out of the, well, as you can see outside, it's not exactly
Shampoo.
fan weather out there at the moment, so we'll leave the fan videos for the summer. And what do you say now?
Bye for now.
Bye for now.